4,
2,
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5,
From here you have to count 5. Your last one was here, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. 1, 2, 3.
5.
No, your last one was here. Start from here.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5.
5. Give me the dice. 1,
2,
1,
1,
2.
2.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, no? You have 3. It was 3. 1, 2, 3. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, your last one was here. 1. Yes. 6. No, I don't have 6 steps to move. Take.
5.
Can you move 5 steps? No. 5. No. 2. Where was the last coin? Yes.
One.
No, here 1. 1, 1 and 2.
5.
1. Yay. Finish. 2. 1 and 2. Now count how many green.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
7.
9.
How many? Place it here.